Hello, and welcome to Trepa Technologies CASP live virtual training course. In this video, we'll be going over the introduction to our course. So, what you'll gain from this video is how our website's laid out, how the course is laid out, what we're going to do on a daily basis, right? And how we're going to interact with our learning management system here at trepatech.com. And then lastly, we're going to go over the exam objectives and then our overall class objectives and what you can expect from this course. So first things first, let's go to trepatech.com. And this is where we're going to be starting every day for our 5 days of training. So now we got to go to our actual course, and we do that by clicking my account here on the top right. Once we click my account, we're going to hit my courses in our dashboard. And once we click my courses down here at the bottom, you're going to see your CASP course and any other courses you're enrolled in. We're going to click our CASP course, and then you're going to see our course homepage. So here you're going to see some links right here. You're going to see all the lessons. And then you can also go to this navigation page on the right and see everything we're going to be covering. So as you can see here, we're going to be going over all 4 domains of CAS-004, which is the new CASP exam version that officially became the only CASP exam April 5th, 2022. So we go to Google right here and look up our exam objectives. Click here at our PDF. You can see that our course is laid out going over exactly what the objectives go over. Come back here to our navigation page on the right. You can see domain 1. We're going to go over every single domain. Awesome. And for this video, I'm going to be going over how the course works now. So as you can see in this introduction page, day 0, here will actually be the video I'm recording right now, speaking to you, right? So that's going to be here. And then we'll have our links here. So our GitLab link is going to be used for any code or any software we use during our course. So you can see it's empty right here. And that's because I start uploading all the material the night prior, so no one can really skip ahead in the course, right? But once your course starts, which for this video, I'm recording this video for the 18th April course, you have all material available to you. So again, we're going to be using GitLab as a repository for any code we're going to be using in the course. Next, we have our Confluence page here. So Confluence is a knowledge management system. And now this is just kind of a little add-on for the students in all of our courses, right? So Trepa Technologies has this how-to page in Confluence that goes over a lot of networking stuff. And again, this is not for the CASP course. This is just for you to have, right? So for any of you network enthusiasts out there, you can see right here that I've developed a lot of comprehensive how-tos on a lot of different technologies used in networking. And again, that's just for you on your own time, right? And then we have our Google Drive link here. So this Google Drive link is going to have our whole course in it, essentially. So if you go to day 1, it's going to have the slides that you can download. We're going to have day 5, the practice questions. Here you can see a VCE file and our test dump here. Then this one, you're going to have tools and important links. And again, we'll have a lot more in here come Monday or the start of the course. The important links page is going to be to a lot of important links, right? Going over OSINT frameworks, CVEs, the NIST website. Then you can see here, I just have Nmap up here, some cybersecurity tools that will also be here available for you guys to install. And also some tools we might actually be using in the course. All right, so that's what these links are. Now let's go to our actual sections. So come Monday or April 18th, the start of our next CAS course as of this recording, we're going to be going over domain 1.1, secure network architecture at the beginning of class. So as you can see here, you have your PowerPoint slides that I'll be reading off of. Again, this is live virtual training. Your Zoom link should be in your email. But if it's not, you can also click this link here. It's going to open our Zoom meeting in the next tab. Then as you can see here, it says this meeting is scheduled for the 18th. So we won't be able to get to it now, but come start of the course, we will be. And we'll be using Zoom to teach. That's how it's interactive, right? So you can look at these slides as I go over them. And again, we made these slides to be a little bit more fun, right? We don't want to be completely death by PowerPoint. And that's why they're very shallow, I guess you could call them. One word with little definitions and a picture for you to look at. And then I'll explain each technology or each concept to you over our Zoom link. So every day we'll be starting at this course, right? Day 2, we should be at domain 2. Domain 3, we should be at day 3. Day 3 should be at domain 3. So that's pretty much the down and dirty on how this course is going to work. Again, if you guys have any questions, we also have comment boxes down here. You can also send me an email. When you click that, it's going to bring up a box for you to actually send an email. You see it open up my Outlook. And yes, that is our entire CASP course. So again, if you have any questions, you know where to reach us. And as far as expectations for this course goes, we want the students to be able to understand all the concepts laid out here by CompTIA, but our main goal is to get you to pass the exam. So if we come back here, we go to our Google Drive link. The most important thing about this course is this PDF that I put together for you guys. These questions are really going to help you solidify that knowledge and really help you come test day. I also have a VCE file and a VCE setup that you can download and install a VCE test player, which gives you the real experience of what a test is actually going to look like. Now let's go back to our CASP course. Again, this is our homepage. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We look forward to all of our training and looking forward to some certified students. Thank you for viewing.